a box. Who's excited? I'm excited. I haven't looked at my invoice to see what I won in the auction. And so we're just gonna go, okay? Hi, my name is Angie, if we haven't met. And for those that have seen me before, if we have met, maybe we've chatted, thank you so much for all the comments. I so appreciate it. I try to get back to everyone. If we haven't yet connected, please say hi. Just jump in the comments below and tell me where you're from, you know, all those things. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's just do the best we can. Anyway, thank you for everyone who has commented, who has said hi, who's given me feedback. I certainly appreciate the feedback. And just so you know, I'm taking it to heart that I will not have music in the background anymore. The reason I generally have music in the background is because there's house noises that I try and cover. And I think that's more distracting. The music's more distracting than the house noises. Am I right? No background music, just house noises. There's one. Who knows? But I live in a real house with real noises, so we get real sounds, no more elevator music for you. I think I'm going to wait on this one, so we're going to put that aside, and I'm going to start on this one. If I remember right, I think this is called Y2K. Like this was a Y2K lot. Now this looks like it's going to have some fashion stuff, fashion jewelry in it. Like contemporary fashion. I need your guys' input. I need your, like, what do you think? I have a lot of non-vintage jewelry. Things like this. I am considering doing auctions or doing live sales here on YouTube for those items as well, and just really designate when it is a show that's for vintage or luxury vintage or designer vintage. You know, have a real theme and really designate it so people know what to tune in for. And I thought this was a loft. Maybe not loft. I can't tell. I can't tell right now, but so there's one piece. Anyway, I have a lot of pieces like that. What do you guys think about me having separate shows like that? So it's not really reserved grace vintage. By the way, if I didn't say it earlier, I think I said my name is Angie, but I don't think I said that I'm Reserved Grace. I'm actually the founder of Reserved Grace. We're new, but my collection is not necessarily new. I've got a lot that I've collected for years and years and years, and my personal collection that just really got out of control. And then I started to accumulate more through reselling. Well, that's cool. So I started Reserved Grace because I'm going to let the abundance out into the world. I like that. I think that's cute. I mean, it looks really good with what I'm wearing, but you know, I like that a lot. Okay. All right. And then there are those earrings. Truth be told, I've had these same earrings in, what's the best way to say? Contemporary fashion earrings of today that are not this good a quality. If I took the ones that I got from some of the wholesalers, put them up against these, there's a huge difference. And I didn't know that. So these would be the originals, I think, Y2K originals, and there's a huge difference in quality. Baubles, oh, there's a tag. This is, who is this? Guesses? Guesses? Take your guess. Everybody place your bets. Place your bets. Who is this? Oh my goodness, my eyes. Oh, okay. If you know, props to you. This is Natasha. This is Natasha. Would not have known Natasha from anybody else. Would not have known Natasha. I'm not familiar with that brand, but it is really cute. I like that mix. Natasha's going to go right here. Now we have another pair of the tassel. Ooh, these are cute. Guys, this is so much cuter than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it really is. I mean, when I saw these, I do remember the fringe, like little fringe earrings, and I thought they were going to be the same as I had. Oh, these are J. Crew. Okay, so these are J. Crew, but let me shush these a little bit for a sec. Look how cute these are. I mean, seriously, I think they're cute. I think these are so much cuter than what I've seen contemporary. I like this marbling detail here. The post, for one, I like. And it has the little, let's see if we can see the little J. Crew with the little rhinestone right there. So very cute. I like those. I like those. Yes. Those are yeses. Those are in my yes, I like. I like. Not disappointed. Okay. Oh. What do we got here? What do we have here? Well, this is suede fringe pendant. I mean, cute. I mean, it's like a charcoal gray. That's cute. I like that. Very boho, right? Let me move it over here a little bit. This caught my eye. This was what originally caught my eye in the photo. Yeah, this one. Okay. Whoa. There's that. This appears to be lucite. The chain is in good condition. I like it. Very lightweight, but I like that. I think that's really cool. Okay, still happy with this. I mean, I'm not breaking out the designer deals here, so, but I'm happy with this Y2K. All right, so that, oh my gosh, I wish I wasn't wearing this right now so I could wear that. That is cool. I know, call me crazy, but I like the colors and I think it's fun. I like that. Okay, this is not disappointing when it comes to Y2K. What do you think? I think I used to have something like this back in the day. I'm sure I did. I think we probably all did. I mean, I'm speaking for you, but you know, maybe you did, maybe you didn't. So tortoiseshell, chain tassel. That's cute. Okay, there's that. Now, I like bling. Ooh, ooh. Did not, oh my gosh, for real? I need to try these on. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm trying these on. I don't know if you saw them in the camera already on the side, but okay, I gotta try these on. They're gonna look great with what I'm wearing, so bear with me. I don't care, it's good, all good. Oh my goodness. Okay, now, whoopsie daisy. Name the movie, whoopsie daisy. What movie did a famous actor say? Whoopsie daisy. Hello, Pink. Hello, Sparkles. I don't even know what to say. I think they're bright. They're not heavy. I thought they would be heavy. They're not heavy. They hold in place. They are spectacular. I mean, they are fabulous. Let's put it that way. These are fabulous. There's no brand. Oh my gosh, these are... I think I love these. What do you think? Am I crazy? What do you think? I'm curious. What do you think? I mean, I don't know. I don't know where to wear them or where you would wear them, but somebody must absolutely love these and need to have them in their life. Someone needs these. Okay, here's the back. Double check to make sure there's no maker's marks or anything on. No, I'm not seeing anything. Wow. All right, enough on those. Those are fabulous. I hope somebody grabs them. They're amazing. And then the last thing in here is a Manelli Florence 24 karat gold plated. Ooh, ooh. With the bamboo clasp. Okay, that's pretty. There it is. I don't know if you can read it. But anyway, it's in there. That's really cool. I like it. Must learn more about this Manelli Florence 24 karat gold plated. Pretty. If there's something here that you see that you want, if you see something like these earrings, these fabulous earrings, if you decide that you want those sooner than later, let me know. I will get them to you. So these have the wire. Make sure they work. Like they fasten. Yep, they do. Okay, so those have the wire. This has the post. I like these. I like them. Okay, then we have the suede tassel. We have tortoise shell tassel. We have this orange color. Looks good with that blue. Well, speaking of orange and blue, here's orange and blue. The colorful. This is definitely all about bringing the color, wasn't it? This was Natasha. And I did not see that this was branded at all. Oh, there we go. Let me know. There's more. Almost forgot this one. Guess I should be careful. That one, and that one. And wow, this one. All right. This beautiful set, Demi Perer. You know I can't say it. I'm going to say it one day. I try. This beautiful set is vintage Givenchy, New York. What do you think? Pretty, beautiful, so classy. Oh, in such good condition. Oh, wait, look at the back. Look at the back. Looks like it's never been worn. Oh, so pretty. There we go. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, now let's see what else we got here. This is antique 10 karat gold. It's probably marked in there somewhere. I do see that there's marks in there. With a pink crystal. They did not identify the stone. It says it's 10 karat yellow gold with gold leaves on the side. Okay. That's pretty. And it says it's 7.75. That's going to be 7.75. So pretty. And it's antique. I love antique. There's just this thing when it goes from vintage, then it goes to antique. Ooh, that would work. It just, I don't know, something that's been around that long, somebody who wore this was probably something very, very special to someone at one point in life. And now it could be something special to someone special. The little details, like right here, I don't know if you can see, it has like a little crossover detail right there. The beautiful leaves on the side. Very dainty, very elegant. I'm happy with this one. Very pretty. Okay, what do you think? Is that good? Reserved Grace is growing quickly, and I appreciate that. And if you have not yet liked or subscribed, please do. And with that, I'm going to let you go. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.